Hello and welcome to Driving Solution. Do you want to drive and are looking for a reputable driving school to learn with? Then choose Driving Solution, the #1 driving school in Northamptonshire, with the highest driving test pass rate and customer recommendations. We have dedicated, professional and experienced male and female DVSA approved driving instructors. If you're feeling nervous about driving, all the instructors are friendly and patient, with years of experience to help you to relax and learn to drive. Our training techniques are based on client-centered learning, which means we will explain everything in a way you will understand to be a safe and confident driver for life. For those who wish to pass the driving test very quickly, we specialise in weekly intensive driving courses. All lessons take place in new, manual and automatic dual control cars. Our driving lesson prices are very competitive, and we guarantee you will be driving on your first lesson. So what are you waiting for? Contact Driving Solution on 01604 454586.